Hey guys, I have here my small kitchen scale, and whenever I'm trying to turn it on, then really shortly after it's going to show a LO, and then it's going to power off again. So this LO means that the battery is low, so we have to replace the batteries in order to use the scale again. So in this case, this scale uses 2 of the AAA batteries. So when we take a look at the back side, then we have this little plastic cover that we can simply slide upwards and off. And then inside we find the 2 depleted AAA batteries. You can easily remove those. And then we want to install the new batteries. We have to look at the location of those little springs here. So those springs, that's where the negative pole, the negative side of the batteries is supposed to go to. So the one that is here flat, so this one, this flat side, this flat surface is supposed to face towards the springs. So we're going to put this in here first, and then we're going to slide the battery completely in there, repeating the same thing with the second slot as well. Here also negative side goes towards the spring. Just going to slide this in, and at this point we can already put the cover back on. Just simply slide it on, and then when we press the power button now, going to see here hello as the welcome message, and then it's going to show us the correct weight. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.